Bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm drinking is some Smirnoff pink lemonade vodka with some watermelon lemonade juice. It's very, very sweet, but very refreshing at the same time. It's weird. But pause this video if you need to. Go ahead and grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. So for today's video, I want to discuss a post that was made on Instagram on a page that I love, that you love, that we all love, called Dear Dream. Dear Dream is like a Jamaican gossip website, for those of you who don't know. Now, what the question was, or what the post was, this person, and I'll post it up here for you guys to see, said, genuine questions to the lesbians. If you're not into men, why use strap-on? Can somebody just explain? To which I, of course, responded to. But I wanted to do a video on it for the people who did not get to see it. So my response was, the men who wonder why lesbians use a strap are the men who don't know how to please a woman and really don't care. A woman not being attracted to men does not mean she does not require pleasure. And lots of people loved it, and lots of people hated that response. But here we are, let's talk. First and foremost, let's get this out of the way. A lot of lesbians use a strap-on. It's general knowledge. Does every single lesbian use one? No. When it comes to pleasuring a woman, you don't necessarily need to penetrate her, right? There are many other ways, many other things that you can do. Not all lesbians use a strap-on. The ones that do use it are typically the more masculine one using it on the more feminine one. It can be vice versa, but in most cases, that's how it is. I am not one to judge or to tell or to depict or to say what happens in a person's bedroom between them and their partner. With a lot of more masculine women, whether you want to call them a stud or a butch, they enjoy seeing their partner being pleased. Me personally, I have never been penetrated with a strap-on, but I have used a strap-on on a girl, right? In that situation, you would say that I am the more, even though I look like, you know, super girly, I am the more masculine one when it comes to a situation like that. Would I ever turn down a strap-on being used on me? Probably. But if given the chance again, would I use a strap on another female? Definitely. Why? Because I enjoy seeing her enjoy herself. It goes for the same way with going down on a girl. Has a girl ever gone down on me? Yes. Did I enjoy it? It was alright, but I prefer to be the one doing the going down on, right? There are multiple ways to please a woman, not just oral, not just penetration. It's a whole thing, right? So in insinuating that because the woman is not attracted to men, that they should not use a strap-on is ridiculous, okay? And I believe that these are also the same men who don't incorporate sex toys when it comes to them and their partner, or who finds sex toys embarrassing or insulting, right? Because they're like, oh, the real thing is right here. These are also the same men who are ignorant enough to believe that, oh, why would she want to be with a girl who looks like a boy when she could just be with the real thing? Very, very ignorant statement to make, right? That's like saying, why are you with a woman when you could just be with a feminine man, right? A man who dresses like a girl, or a trans woman, right? If that's not what you're attracted to, that's just not what you're attracted to at the end of the day. You get what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah, I feel very rambly right now. How about for the rest of the year, we stay out of women's business, okay? What a woman chooses to do with her vagina and her sex toys is between that woman and her vagina and her sex toys. Men, heterosexual men, how about you figure out how to please your woman properly so that she is not curious about what's happening on the other side of the pond, so that she does not become a tourist bisexual. All right? All right. And that's why I said, for the guys who ask the question, why do lesbians use a strap? You are the men who don't care about pleasing your woman, who does not know how to please your woman, who are closed-minded to different things when it comes to pleasing your woman. Okay? Okay. And that's my 2 cents. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're confused by any of my ramblings, leave it in the comment section below. If you have anything to add, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this with your friends, like this video, and yeah, until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.